Welcome back to the dojo. Today we're continuing our Beard Basics series. We're talking about beard butter. What it is, how to use it, that's right after the intro. Series on software, that's the products that you use in your beard for conditioning, health, and style. And today we are talking about beard butters. Now, what is a beard butter and how is that different from a balm or a wax? Well, whereas a wax contains lots of beeswax or another wax and it's basically for styling, and a balm is somewhere between a styling and conditioning product. Butter is primarily a conditioning product. It's used to condition the beard. A lot of guys, butter is the big thing right now. They've gone away from using balm. They use butter during the day. A lot of guys that use balm during the day will use butter at night as a conditioning agent on their beard while they sleep. Again, it is a fairly personal preference as to how much hold you need and how much conditioning you need. I know a lot of guys that either go oil only during the day or go oil and butter. They have longer beards and more well-trained beards. They've had their beards a little bit longer. They no longer need the balm for that hold, so the butter is enough for them. And again, maybe you don't want a lot of hold in your beard. You don't want the extra weight that a balm or a wax would add to your beard, so you want the butter. Alright, so let's take a look at a butter right now. Today I am using Pirate Drake from Live Bearded. This is what their limited edition seasonal scent for summer of 2020. It is currently sold out, so unfortunately if you do not have this already, you're not going to be able to get it, but it is a fine example of a beard butter. Now, if you watched our series before on the balm, you remember the balm looked more like almost like a shoe polish, okay, or it was much more solid. The butter, as you can see, it has a much softer consistency. It's much more like a heavy lotion or a cold cream. All right, and again, you're only going to use a certain amount. I know on the instructions that come with this, they suggest using a quarter-sized amount. Unless you have a beard like ZZ Top, you probably don't need that much. I made the mistake the first time I tried that. I used a quarter-size amount, and it was way more than I needed. So again, I'm going to go with just as much as I can fit on my fingertip. That's maybe just about the size of a dime. All right, a large bean. Again, I'm going to rub that into my hands. And again, this is a butter. All right, so the primary reason for using this is for conditioning the beard, all right, helping lock in moisture. All right, so styling and hold is secondary to the purpose of a butter. Some butters will have almost no hold to them at all. The Live Bearded, this actually has a fair amount of hold. I was surprised. But again, you want to work that through your beard. And again, you may want to finish with the comb or a brush just to make sure you have a nice even distribution and that your beard looks the way you want it to. But again, that's the butter, used for conditioning primarily. It's a nice product. I suggest you try it. And if you have a favorite butter, let us know in the comments below, and we'll be right back. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you once again for your time. We certainly do appreciate it. Please give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you do give us a thumbs down, we just ask that you leave us a reason why, because we are always trying to improve. Please let us know what you would like to see. Once again, do you have a favorite butter? If so, let us know in the comments below. Do you prefer butter over balm? Okay. Again, if you're a balm user, let us know that as well. But as always, please subscribe, hit the all notifications button so that you do not miss any of our new videos. Thank you again. Please take care of yourself, stay safe, and keep walking the whiskered way.